used was auto detailing in El Paso. Okay, auto detailing El Paso, and what comes up in a Google search right off the bat is the Google Maps. So these are the places near me that are doing detailing like you are. And then Google business profiles come up all over town, depending. Um, I did not see yours in the first 4 pages. We'll go show you what I'm talking about. The ultra detailing, I did not see it. Okay, so that being said, that's the map pack on um, first Google listings. Okay, so whenever somebody puts in any kind of search, they're always going to put the businesses closest to them to come up in this little map pack here. The next thing that comes up is the organic search. And the first one is epautowash.com. Okay. And I was looking at I looked at them, and I also looked at this other one, El Paso autodetailing.com. I looked at both of them, but I'm only going to go over the EP Auto Wash because they came in first. Now, let's look at them. This is their website for EP Auto Wash. Okay, right off the bat, they got their logo and a little bit of a menu here to go to different pages. Okay, it doesn't need to be fancy like this, but this does add for interest to look at. What we do: mobile car detailing, mobile car wash in El Paso, Texas. Very important headline and subheadline right here. And then all these other things are used as keywords. Your website is similar in that it has what you do, and we'll go over that. But what's really important is everything has uh, it has more context and it has more content. There's a lot of stuff here that's saying things. Truck shiny, clean, interior protected, values of your car. All of these hand wash. These words are search words or keywords for the website. The best mobile car detailing in El Paso, Texas. That right there is a keyword that's going to get them ranked high. They have a video of them and maps and that kind of thing. It's a lot of content. Okay, we're going to look at their metrics. I'll go back to their overview. I was looking at their keywords and where they ranked. Here, this is kind of a big spread, the DR and the UR, and that's something that I do. That's what I worry about as a marketing agency for my clients, is that I like this to be a lot tighter. These things right here are very easy to beat. They're doing backlinks and referring domains. Here's the biggest thing right here is 128 clicks a month is what they get on their website for being ranked number one. And each of those clicks is valued at $136. That is a lot of money coming into this guy's business just from his website. In fact, he's probably got a team of people that go out and do work under this name just because of this. This is what ranking number one will get you. Each click is worth $136 to him. Now let's go to yours. I looked you up. I could not find you in the search for auto detailing El Paso. So you didn't come up in the first page or the second. I did look to page 2, but anything past page 2 is basically invisible when it comes to Google, when it's not that difficult to rank. Okay. So I looked at your photos. They're all excellent. First tip for you: there is a thing called meta tagging on pictures. So when you take your pictures, you can put descriptions in there and the location that you did this, because it's important for your business to be located all over town. So when people say auto detailing near me, you come up. Now, in your description, it just says ultra detailing. It might want to add to that ultra detailing, auto detailing in El Paso, ultra detailing, cleaning cars, that kind of thing in El Paso, so that the things that crawl on the internet to tell it what your business is actually actually will can be found, because right now it doesn't really say. You have great you got 23 reviews. You should be ranking very high for this. So first tip on this is to get your pictures meta tagged. Okay, and you can look that up on Google, what that means and how to geotag your pictures. It's not difficult. There's a website that will allow you to do 5 pictures a day for free, which is a lot for yourself. So you could get yourself listed all over town. Okay. Um, Another thing here from Ultra Detailing. This is great. I mean, I understand that you're saying you're just, but you're more than that. You're ultra detailing. You really got to sell it. You got to put it out there, and it's got to be clear what you do. You enjoy cleaning cars. No, you do clean cars, and they're the cleanest cars in El Paso. That's the kind of thing that you want to write in your description. Okay. Those are the first 2 tips. Your Google business profile needs a little bit of attention and care. So the pictures and clean, making it clear, like a 3rd grader would read this and go, "Oh, this guy details cars, and he'll come to me. I need to, I need to click on him, and I need him to do this." People have very low attention spans, and this is part of what it is. Okay, let's go to your website now. Your headline is "Have your vehicle returned in its pristine condition." I would change this to ultra detail, ultra detailing in El Paso, and something about cleaning cars. This is not going to be clear to the spiders that crawl the internet. I'm not saying this to say your business is lacking. If you don't know, you don't know. But now that you do, I would change this headline and anything like this. This is great. This is a great offer. You can put this on your Google business profile. 15% off an ultra package. Those are things you could put on your Google business profile. It's good to put on your website as well, but not in the headline. In the headline, it has to say auto detailing, auto wash, El Paso, Texas, best in El Paso, things like that right off the top. Okay. And this is all good. You need a lot of content. You need at least 3 paragraphs about what auto detailing in El Paso is. And I would recommend, here's tip number 3 for you, using Chat GPT to get yourself some content that is relevant and is keyword rich to what you're trying to do. What you want is to show up in auto detailing El Paso. And what you need in your website are those keywords right in the top and in the content. Okay. This could go into offers. You don't want it right off the top. About us, you're very humble, and I appreciate that, Javier. I do. But you're not just a business with a lot of ambition and drive. You have to make this clear. This has to be clear to people who are reading what you do and how you do it. And you are the best in the business. So say that, because nobody else will for you. Believe me. These guys over here, these guys, they're telling everybody they're experts, trained experts, high quality products, premium service. You need to say the same things, and there's nothing wrong with you saying the same things. These pictures also can be meta tagged with keywords and descriptions that will bring you about ranking higher in your business. And other than that, more contact information. There's book now. I didn't test it. Let's see what it says. Book now. Okay, good. It does work. So that is the website analysis. We'll look at your real quick. your metrics, okay? Because you're using square.site, you have a very high DR rating. Okay, that's good. That'll make it rank really quickly. But all your other numbers are zeros, and that's because it's not clear what you do on your website and on your Google business profile. And so that has to be cleaned up and cleared up so that there's no room for misinterpretation on that. Um, and that is really it on the website analysis. So there's on your Google business profile, it is the redo your description, saying exactly what you do and how you do it. You are the best in this. I'm sure you are because you're trying to do this now. Also, meta tag your pictures. That'll get your Google business profile really starting to rank, and put your offer on your Google business profile, the 15% off. That'll get you ranking quicker there. And then on your website, you need to add a bunch of content that is very, very descriptive of what auto detailing is and what you'll do, what you will actually do. You will come to them, you will detail their car, it'll come back better than before. And that's what needs to be said. It's just not clear. I hope this helps. If you want any other kind of help with this, be glad to talk to you about it and help you to rank to number one. It can be done. You could rank number one in your business with Ultra Detailing. And I will reach out to you. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact me. Okay, I hope this is helpful, Javier. Talk to you later. Bye.